video, you'll see how the richest YouTubers live, from insane houses to dream vacations. But before I show you guys the most expensive YouTuber house, let's start with the $1 YouTuber house. Alright, I just made it to the $1 house, and this place definitely looks like it.
Zong, wait for me!
Bryce, what are you doing here?
Well, I had to sell my house to get this new drip, and now I don't have anywhere to live. So I heard you were touring houses, so can I join?
Fine.
Yes!
Alright, Bryce, knock on the door.
All right, let's do it.
What's taking so long?
I don't know, should I knock again?
Knock again.
All right.
Hey, get over here. Stop making so much noise.
I'm sorry, my name is Zong, and we're here to tour your $1 house.
Okay, come in.
Okay, can you open the door, please?
Nah, the door don't work. Hop in the window.
What? I guess this is a $1 house.
Okay, Zong, you go first.
Okay, now it was time for us to start touring the $1 house.